Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today the girl is gonna be doing a quick and easy installment. When I tell you no skills needed, no skills needed. Like, you can simply take it out of the package and put it on. So let me thank Idefine for sponsoring this video. And in the package I received 2 wig caps and a brochure and also take care of your wig. And this is how the wig came, and it's a 5x5 warm brown curly bob closure wig. And once a year closure, you know it can be glueless, and that's what we're gonna be doing. And the wig size, you can choose between small, medium or large. This is a large right here. It's a 23.5, so it's in the density of 180, and the length of it is 16 inches. Also, you're getting pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline, so you don't have to worry about none of that. And inside you have 4 wig combs and 2 adjustable straps, and also the wig cap is stretchy. So time to get busy, and I'm gonna be using the darker shade wig cap because we're going with a quick installment. I'm not doing no ball cap method, that is not necessary. And with this color I don't need to put no foundation on it, so you tell me no. But what I am gonna do is put some foundation on the lace part of the wig. So I'm just placing it on my head to check the fit, and honestly I feel like I could have gone down a size. The texture feels amazing. Even after manipulating it and brushing it out, the shedding is minimal to none, which that is a massive green flag for quality. This is the look I'm gonna be doing. Yes, so I'm gonna try to recreate it. It's not gonna be the exact thing based on the iron that I'm gonna be using. And since I'm doing a quick fix, I'm only gonna curl the front part. I'm not gonna touch the back, just the front, and we are out. So what I'm basically gonna do right now is just trimming off the extra lace that is not needed. So right now I'm gonna stop the talking just for now, you know. So just go and sit back and watch me do my thing, and I will come back at the very end to give you guys my final thoughts.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You my heart is one for this can't be our first time. We my heart for this still fresh in my mind. Looking for some things that I've been never. You got that shit with somebody but love for the moon fry. You my heart is one for this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Oh babe, oh babe, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
And I am done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that I absolutely love the texture of it. It is soft and it curls very nice. It is super easy to put on and go, and this is so effortless. Like, it did not take much for me to achieve this right here. If you're that girl who's always on the go, trust me, you don't need to do much. Just simply take it out of the package, put it on your head, and just try to perfect it to your likings, and that is it, you know. The only thing I would say, if I wasn't doing a quick installment, I would have went with trimming up the ends. Not saying that this is struggling, but you know, I could have cut the ends, but I did not. Girl want to give you something straight out of the package. And I would also say, if anything, size down on the cap, because this was a little big for me and my head is on the bigger side, so that part. Anyways, if you are interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Yes, so later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah,
Reach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you got a